Angel Violet is my name. I'm the grade 1 teacher. And it is now time for mathematics. Okay, so the topic for this week is simple subtraction. Simple subtraction. Now, to subtract means to do what? Okay, to subtract simply means to take away, to remove, minus, or less than. Okay, I said that to subtract means to take away, to remove, minus, or less than. Okay, so now the sign for subtraction is this. Okay, when you see this sign, remember you are removing, you are taking away. It means minus or less than. Okay, so now I've written 3 examples on the board. Okay, and these examples are saying subtract the following. Okay, so we are going to subtract using 3 different methods. Okay, it is saying 3 minus 1. Okay, so now for this one, we are going to use a bar model. It is one way of subtracting. We are going to use a bar model. Okay, so I'll draw the bar model up here. Okay, so on top here, this is where we write the total number. So in this case, 3 is the total number. Okay, so 1, we are going to write it here. Now this sign, where are we going to write it? We are going to write it outside here. Okay, so we are saying 3, remove 1. Or 3, take away 1. Or what is 3 less than 1? It is the same. So in this case, 3 minus 1. What is the answer? Okay, so 2 is the answer. You write your 2 this side. So 2 is the answer. Okay, so remember I said that this is a bar model. You can use it when subtracting. You write the total number up or the bigger number. Then the number that you'll be removing, you write it on your left side. Then you write the sign for subtracting outside. Then this is your answer. So 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Okay, so now we move on to our second example, which is 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. Okay, so for this one, we are not going to use the bar model. I want you to look at me. We are going to use our fingers. Put your fingers like this. Okay, so how many fingers together? We have 10 fingers. Now remember, our total number is 9. And we are taught to remove 3 from 9. So what you do like this. You remove this one finger. You put it like this. Meaning this side you have 4. This side you have 5, making it what? 9. So 9 is our total number. So now we remove 3 from 9. We remove 3 from 9. So what you do, just bend these fingers from this side, these 3 fingers. Now, count the fingers that have remained up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers? 6. So 6 is the answer. So 9, remove 3. The answer is 6. Okay, so this is another way of subtracting. You can simply use fingers for numbers that are adding up to 10. Our last example. 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7. So, we are not going to use the bar model. We are not going to use the fingers. Remember, 12 is bigger than 10. And remember, we have only 10 fingers altogether. So now, since we have 10 fingers, this number is big. So we are going to use another unique method, the number line. So I'll draw the number line just down here. Okay. So I'll draw the number line. Okay. Okay, so I'll write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Remember, our total number is 12. So eventually your number line should add up to number 12. Okay, so now what are we going to do? Since we are told to remove 7 from 12, so we are going to count the numbers. Now we are moving from this side on our right side, going this side to the left side. Okay, so I want you to pay attention and look at what I'll do. So we are going to start whooping from 12 up to where the number 7 will end. Then that will be the answer. Okay, so follow me. Okay, so we shall start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now what number is this? 5. So 12 you take away 7. The answer is 5. So this is the answer. 5. 5 is the answer. So 12 minus 7 is equals to 5. Okay, so these are the 3 methods that you can use to subtract. Remember, we started with the bar model. Again, this one, this is where we used our fingers. Then the last one, we used the number line. So these are the 3 examples that you are going to use when answering the questions. So now you are going to write an exercise, their questions, and you can use any of these examples that we've used. You can use the bar model, you can use your fingers for finding the answers, or you can use the number line to answer the questions. Okay, remember, we were doing simple subtraction. To subtract simply means to remove, to take away, minus, or less than. All those words, they simply mean the same thing, to subtract. And these are the three examples. We used the bar model, we used our fingers, and we also used the number line. Remember, this is the sign for subtraction. This is where we end. Bye-bye.